Hello guys, it's myself Anushka. Welcome back. In our last video, we started about, or we can say we read about the poem of Emily Dickinson, After Great Pain, a formal feeling comes. And in this video, we are going to study about Rabindranath Tagore. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to the channel. Now, talking about the life of Tagore, he was born on 7th May 1861 in Bengal Presidency because at that time India was ruled by Britishers. Okay, so we know कि बंगाल जो था वो presidency थी and he died on 7th of August 1941 Bengal presidency. Okay, so you see a coincidence कि 7 को ही वो he was born and on 7th only he died. Okay, so he was a poet, वो novelist थे, playwright थे, essayist थे, composer थे, painter थे, philosopher थे, social reformer थे, educationist थे, linguist थे and grammarian थे. He belonged to an era of Bengal Renaissance. वो टाइम था ये बंगाल में जब कल्चरल सोशल और इंटेलेक्चुअल आर्टिस्टिक मूवमेंट जो थी वो एक फॉर्म ले रही थी टेक प्लेस कर रहे थे बंगाल के रीजन में of the British Raj from 18th century to 20th century. He was also known as Bhanu Singha. He was known as the Bhatt of Bengal, very famous name. And Gurudev was a name given to him by M.K. Gandhi. And Kobi Guru was his another name. Now, some notable works. He wrote Gitanjali, very famous book, Khare Bere, Kora, and many more. His artworks include Dancing Women, Woman Face, Hat Study. You can go and watch it on Google. His artworks. Okay, he composed National Anthem of India, Jan Gan Man. We all know that, and he also composed the National Anthem of Bangladesh. That is Amar Sunar Bangla. We all know that. And if you don't know, that's a very important point. You should know. Okay, he inspired youth of Bengal with patriotic songs during the Indian freedom movement. That's how people contribute in the movement. Now, his significant commentary on the country's state of affairs was written in the essay Sickness and Its Remedy. He also wrote a novel that is known as Chokar Bali in Bengali, which includes many poems. और उसके बाद उन पोम्स की एक अलग से बुक बना दी गई एंथोलॉजी बना दी गई दैट वाज नोन एज नेबोदिया ऑफरिंग टू द idol. Most of the poems in that book are sonnets, and a lot of them are products of anger and self-criticism on behalf of India. जो टैगोर की डिस्कस थी नेशनलिज्म से वो देखने को मिली बिकॉज ही सॉ द डेवलपमेंट्स इन यूरोप कि कैसे पेट्रियटिज्म के नाम पे लोग अपने आप आपस में ही लड़ रहे हैं और कैसे पुअर कॉलोनीज का खून चूस रखा है उन्होंने. Okay, now talking about his achievements and influences. He was the first Asian Nobel laureate in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. He was influenced by traditional Indian philosophy and spiritual texts like the Upanishads, Baul tradition, by modern religious movements such as the Brahmo Samaj. The works of Western Romantic poets also influenced his works and Persian poetic tradition. Now जो उनकी फैमिली का जो इन्वायरमेंट था वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, काफ़ी encouraging इन्वायरमेंट था. उनके जो एल्डर ब्रदर हैं और उनकी सिस्टर इन लॉ लाइक भाभी also played a significant role in his early development. Now he influenced literary figures such as William Butler Yeats, Pablo Neruda, John Ramon Jimenez or Juan Ramon Jimenez in Spanish, had conversations with renowned scientist Albert Einstein. Now social reforms की बात करें तो उनकी he was a very strong advocate for social reforms and he expressed his support for abolishing child marriage. Child marriage के abolition के लिए उन्होंने काफ़ी अपना सपोर्ट दिखाया. He was a color blind. He used to paint pictures but he was a color blind. You see, उन्हें एक पोजीशन दी गई ब्रिटिशर्स से मिली उन्हें ब्रिटिश काउंट ने उन्हें एक पोजीशन दी 1915 में बट उन्होंने उस पोजीशन को 1919 में दोबारा दे दिया बिकॉज इन द प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर. उन्होंने विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी को इस्टेब्लिश किया, सेटअप किया शांति निकेतन में. ही ऑल्सो इस्टेब्लिश अ कोऑपरेटिव बैंक टू हेल्प पेसेंट्री. नाउ उनकी तारीफ में कुछ स्कॉलर्स ने कुछ टर्म्स यूज़ करे उनके लिए लाइक एल्डोस हक्सले ने बोला he was very much impressed and he admired his ability to fuse art with spirituality. एडवर्ड थॉमसन ने एक्नॉलेज किया उनका मैजेस्टिक पोएटिक विजन, वो एक रेयर जीनियस जहाँ पे वो पोइट्री, म्यूजिक और फिलॉसफी को कंबाइन करते हैं. रोमैन रोलांड ने कहा, Tagore, the voice of India's spiritual consciousness. So yes, that's all for today. See you in next video where I will be discussing his poem. So thank you and please subscribe to the channel.